At Genomind, we turn your genetic data into actionable insights that can help your provider personalize your medication treatment plan. Let's take a look at how that works. First, you'll provide a fast and painless cheek swab. Here's what happens when our laboratory gets your sample. We collect cheek cells from your swab. With just the right amount of heat, a special solution, and stirring, we release the DNA from those cells. Then, we put your sample in a machine that isolates your DNA and washes away everything else. Now we have your DNA, but it's a very small amount. We need to make a few million copies so that we have enough to analyze. We combine those copies of your DNA with unique chemical mixtures to help us identify the specific genes we want to examine. Now, the fun part, decoding your DNA. Your body is made up of trillions of cells, which we call the building blocks of life. If you looked inside one of your cells, you would find strands of DNA coiled up tightly. When a strand of DNA is stretched out, it looks like a long, twisted ladder or a double helix. This strand of DNA is made up of tiny portions called nucleotides. You can imagine these as rungs of the ladder. Scientists identify the different types of nucleotides with the letters A, T, C, and G. All along this double helix, these nucleotides create a sequence, and chunks of nucleotides form genes. Our DNA is 99.9% the same from one person to another, and it's that 0.1% difference that makes you, you. It's this tiny but important piece of your DNA that we analyze at the Genomind lab. The small differences in your DNA are known as SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms. Many genes can provide guidance on how well common medications might work for you. Here, for example, we can see information on your BDNF gene, which can inform on your response to depression and anxiety treatments. Or your COMT gene, which can help us understand how you may respond to ADHD treatment. When our lab is done with its analysis, your report is uploaded to our secure online portals. Genomind's precision health technology can help you and your healthcare provider identify safer medication options, personalize dosing, and prevent potentially harmful interactions. And it all begins with your DNA.